welcome to my channel once again. I'm Teresa. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So on today's tutorial we'll be having, due to popular demand, we'll be making another hair bonnet. We're making another DIY hair bonnet with, this time around we are having it with a wrap, and we're going to tie it in various beautiful ways that you can use them. So sit back and relax. On today's tutorial we will be using this beautiful fabric. This is Ankara fabric. As you can see, it's very colorful and bright, and I'll be folding this fabric into two this way. We fold it into two, and we're going to fold it, after folding it into two, we're going to fold it into four again, into four, this way. So you will determine how long or how wide you want your bonnet to be. Like the person I'm making this for doesn't want it too big. So, and the measurement we're using is, the measurement we're using is 11 inches. Remember that this is folded into two and into four, and we're going to cut. We are cutting out 11 inches. So this is how we go about it. 11 inches. If you can see what I'm doing, you trace it this way. 11 inches. 11 inches. Yeah, you can see that. So as I said earlier, the measurement that we're using is 11 inches. So remember that this fabric is folded into four, and we're using 11 inches. So from here, I mark, and I mark. Then I keep tracing it at 11 inches. I keep tracing 11 inches, 11 inches. Then you follow the lines and trace it. So I'm using white chalk. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I'm tracing all the lines. So we got our circle. So we're going to cut out. We're going to cut out this circle now. If you haven't watched my previous video on bonnet, please kindly refer to that to know why I'm cutting it this way and how I arrived at this. Then another fabric I'm using is a satin fabric. I'm going to use these two fabrics. Why I'm using this fabric is because we are doing a reversible type. So we're making use of this reversible, we're making use of this satin to cut out this second piece. So we use this as a pattern to cut it out. And that's it. We have two big circles from both the Ankara and this. See, I have given it a good press. This is it. So all I'm going to do now is just sew, and as well sew along the length. Please just ignore the background noise. My kids are playing. So we're giving this a good press. When folded into four, this is 11 inches. This is 11 inches by 14 inches. Okay, 11 inches by 14 inches. So we're going to sew all round and leave 2 inches space.